Yes, sir. Uh, the matters of detention, very limited kasi that's about, you have 9 hours, 18 hours, and then 34. You know, sir, mag-imbestiga ka ng kaso. Kung anong sabihin itong tao na ito, you have to go out and find out the truth. And it takes time. So, in the meantime, you cannot hang on to this guy because there are periods of detention prescribed by law. So, yan ang problema because if the lawyer comes, talagang i-release mo yan, and by the time that you discover kung ano ang sinasabi niya, na totoo, ano at hindi, wala na sa